Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add contour equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add contour equation in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Equation drop down menu. Then click the Insert New Equation. Then we can see we inserted a new equation. Now we want to add this box, the contour equation. Go to the Design menu. Then click the Integrals drop down menu. Then choose any contour integrals. Now I select the volume integrals. Then add a text on the integrals. Then we can see we added contour equation in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.